How to restore deleted WhatsApp chat on Android. Hi guys, you probably clicked on this video because you accidentally deleted a conversation or a message with someone. It could be a link of an important website or a picture of you taken years ago. In this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted WhatsApp chat on Android. First off, you'll have to reinstall your WhatsApp application. Then, as you open it, you're gonna have to verify your phone number again. After that, a prompt will pop up and you shall be able to recover all your conversations from the day you save your backup files. However, if you have the same scenario that you see on the screen, maybe it's about time you learn how to back up files once in a while. So, to back up files, you're gonna have to go to your WhatsApp settings, tap on chats, then chat backup, and make sure that you save backup files to your Google account or Drive, Cellular, whatever works best for you. After that, I assure you that you won't suffer from the same mistake. If you're not able to recover files or messages, I'm really sorry about that. At least now you know how to save a backup file and the same mistake won't happen again. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video.